Hello all, welcome to the garage again. The continuing series of the grill holder. I don't quite know what you're going to call this, but yeah, I'm going to sweat all this together today, let it cool, sand it, and then clean it all up and throw some clear coat on it. So this is the process of that. I already got my flux. Everything's all fluxed up already. And as I said before, I don't need it watertight. All I need it to do is stay together. So it'll be my first plumbing project that I didn't need it to not leak. But we'll bust all this together real quick, and it should go pretty quickly. It's not like this is that difficult. We'll set this sucker all up. I'm gonna have to sweat that on later because it doesn't reach on my bench. But there we go. We have a little delicious H2O, water boy style. And this is going to get noisy. Not going to be able to explain, obviously, because of the noise. But I'm just going to heat each one up, throw some solder in there, let it suck up, and we'll be done. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Okie dokie. So, yeah, there's my stand piece. I'm going to let this cool down because it's pretty warm. And then I'll shoot another one of cleaning it and clear coating it. I'm going to work on, I'm going to show you guys making my chain with the hooks coming up right here next. So, yeah. Stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks for coming by.